Good evening. Let's consider the quotient rule. Now, as for the quotient rule, it's different from the product rule. The product rule is where you have two expressions multiplying. But for the quotient rule, it's a fraction where you identify the numerator part and the denominator part. So clearly, when you see any form of rational function in the form, let's say, or any function in the form a over b, where b is not equal to 0, you can just employ the quotient rule. Are you okay? So the quotient rule is applicable to fraction, the ones containing the numerator part and the denominator part. For product rule, those expressions will be multiplying, two expressions multiplying. Are you okay? So let's see how the quotient rule goes. When you have y and you have u over v, where u and v are functions of x, because u and v are functions of x, we will differentiate u and v with respect to x. Are you okay? So let's see how it goes. When you have something like this, let's see, you can see the y here. When you differentiate y, what do you get? You're gonna get what? dy dx. So there will be dy dx, which is equal to the numerator part here is u. So this is the rule of the game. In quotient rule, you differentiate the numerator, then you keep the denominator constant. When you are done, you come and differentiate the denominator and you keep the numerator constant. Then you also consider the denominator, just square the denominator. Let's see how it goes mathematically. So when I differentiate u, what will I get? I'll come and get what? Du with respect to x. So u here will be what? Du the what? Dx. Then I will maintain my denominator, which is what? Which is the v. So I have my what? My v. Then for the quotient, it will be minus the other expression. So minus, is it first I differentiated the numerator. Similarly, I will differentiate the denominator v. When I differentiate the numerator v, the denominator v, what will I get? I'll come and get what? dv what? dx. Remember, they are functions of x, so we differentiate with respect to x. Then I will now come and maintain the numerator, which is what? My u. All over the denominator squared. And what is my denominator? My denominator here is what? Is v. My v what? Squared. And this is the expression for the quotient rule. So I don't expect you students to chew this into head. Are you okay? Just learn how to deduce it, and that's all. Thank you.